PolyWorks ReportLoop is a free interoperability solution that allows you to inject smart 3D inspection data into Excel spreadsheets to complete your pre-formatted corporate reports or to analyze the performance of your 3D measurement process. You can navigate your inspection projects directly within Excel to quickly retrieve measurement results, including piece properties, control view tables, and snapshots, and insert them directly into your reports, eliminating manual transcription errors. Each insertion creates a link between the Excel spreadsheet cell and your PolyWorks Inspector project using custom parametric Excel functions. This means PolyWorks ReportLoop will automatically update the spreadsheet values if modifications are applied to the linked PolyWorks Inspector project. You can program information-rich report templates that can be reused for any subsequent inspection thanks to easy-to-use tools. And if connected to a data loop database, you can use these tools to fill your templates with information coming from any project in your database in seconds. ReportLoop also gives you access to powerful functions that allow you to retrieve the desired data from the database and harness Excel's extensive mathematical and charting functionalities to transform your inspection results and create data summaries, graphics, powerful mathematic computations, and automated workflows. And because this is all happening in your favorite spreadsheet software, you can share your reports and analysis, including your smart 3D inspection data, with any colleagues using only Excel.